Welcome. In this video, I will show you 10 tips and tricks for your HONOR X7d. Let's start by mastering your 120Hz display by swiping down the control center, then opening settings. In settings, you have to scroll down to display and brightness section. Scroll all the way down to screen refresh rate menu. Open it. You can use dynamic refresh rate for intelligent refresh rate changes. You can use standard mode for saving power or high mode to use 120 Hz all the time. The next feature I want to show you is the app twin. It should be located in apps, right here. You can enable it for various different applications that require login. And by enabling the app twin, you will download a second application which will allow you to use the second account for the same application on the same smartphone. The next thing I want to show you is the gesture to the double tap gesture. So the double tap gesture is located in accessibility features. Then go to shortcut and gestures, and then select screen on off, and now you can use the double tap gesture to either wake your screen or to turn it off. So for example, if you select to turn it off, you just have to double tap the blank area on your home screen and your phone will lock itself. Or you can use it for waking up your phone. For example, if you don't want to raise it, then you can just double tap it and it will wake your device. You can also use raise to wake, which will require you to raise your phone for your screen to turn on. You can use any of these options. Now the following gesture I want to show you is the double press power button. So you can use your power button for enabling, for example, flashlight, recorder, timer, calculator, or screen recording. So let's, for example, tap turn on off the torch, and now each time you double tap the power button, it will enable the flashlight on your phone. And the next feature is the magic portal, which you can use to circle text, photos, or links and drag them to the edge of the screen. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So just use your Knuckle to draw a circle on your screen, and now you can use any application to work with this Knuckle. But in this case, this is unusable. But generally speaking, this way you can, for example, Google Photos easily in order to find something that you look for particularly. Or you can, for example, translate text if you customize this list in the settings and add a Google translator to it. To do that, go to HONOR AI and then go to Magic Portal, and now select Custom Services. And for example, if you have Google Translate on this list, you can tap on it to add to this to the Magic Circle list, and then you can select text, enable Magic Portal, and translate it in real time. Now we have a separate video on Magic Portal feature, so if you want to learn more about it and how it works, then I highly welcome you to check that video out. And now the following feature I want to show you is personalizing your fonts, icons, and themes. To do that, you have to go back to settings and then select home screen and style, and here you have various different features to enable or to change. You can customize your fonts by selecting fonts, window, icons, or themes, or you can change your lock screen and home screen style. You can enable always on display and customize it in many different ways, or you can enable the magazine unlock, which will put a different photo on your lock screen each time you wake the phone up. Now you can also boost your device's performance with just one tap. Just press the side button or the AI button on the left edge of your device and select Clean Up. And right now your device is optimized and its performance is boosted in just a couple of taps. Now the last thing I want to share with you is the AI features, which I previously showed you and mentioned before, but generally speaking, there is a bunch of various AI features. If you open HONOR AI in your settings, you'll see services like AI suggestions, which are available for many different apps. You can also use AI Subtitles or AI Translate and AI Writing. I also recommend you go into AI Subtitles and tap in Add to add the shortcut to your home screen. This way, you'll be able to either transcribe your text in real time or use subtitles for YouTube videos, TikTok videos, basically Instagram Reels, anything you can think of that has a video with someone speaking in it. Just allow this application to use your microphone in the real time. And now, for example, in the dialogue option, you can speak into your microphone and get the translation the transcription or the translation in real time. Or in the subtitle section, you can use subtitles for YouTube videos, and as I mentioned before. And that's all the feature I wanted to show you in this video, but there's plenty more. If you want to learn more about your phone, check out our YouTube channel and other videos about your HONOR X7d. I hope that you liked this one, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.